Tesla has revealed a new plan where the automaker will no longer sell the Model S or Model X in select markets. Select Tesla customers around the world woke up to bad news today. Tesla announced it would no longer be producing right-hand drive variants of the Model S or the Model X, and hence would be halting sales of those models in right-hand drive markets, including the United Kingdom, Singapore, Australia, and many more. Now, Tesla has revealed its plan to help customers who already had a vehicle ordered. As initially reported by Sawyer Merritt on Twitter, Tesla will now be hosting seminars in select markets to answer questions from customers who have ordered but not received a Model S or a Model X. The presentations will also include a Q&A section where the company will field questions from customers and attempt to mitigate concerns. Thus far, it remains unclear what options Tesla will be offering customers who choose to attend these meetings, but an offer has been made public. In the email sent to Model S and Model X customers, they were given the option to take $2,000 off a new Model 3 or Model Y order instead. Strangely, Tesla has just announced that both the Model S and Model X will be coming to Japan, which is another RHD market, but instead of ending this expansion, Tesla will now be shipping left-hand drive units to Japan for sale. Tesla has stated it has no plans to restart RHD Model S or Model X production. Tesla has pulled Model S and Model X vehicle orders in Australia, updating its website to reflect that prospective buyers will only be able to receive updates and not place orders for the company's flagship vehicles. According to The Drive, an Australian media outlet that first reported the inability to place orders, Model S and Model X vehicles are still being made available for other right-hand drive markets. Tesla did start deliveries of the Model S and Model X in mainland China this past quarter. It marked the first deliveries of the vehicles since the automaker updated the cars in 2021. Tesla opened orders for the vehicle several years ago, and the first refreshed units of the Model S were seen in Australia earlier this year. It remains unclear if Tesla is planning to completely eliminate the Model S and Model X from this market. As of now, nobody has been told by the company that they will be issued a refund for their existing order, so it appears there may be too much of a backlog for the vehicles in the country. Tesla planned to start deliveries in late 2022, but these projections, along with pricing, were pulled from the site in late 2021. Tesla has regularly adjusted the prices of its vehicles this year, and supply chain issues over the past few years have made it relatively impossible to predict pricing, especially in markets outside the United States. Tesla builds the Model S and Model X in only one factory, the Fremont plant, which is located in Northern California. The cars are both low volume and contribute to less than 5% of the company's total quarterly volume on average. Tesla updated its online design studio last night to reflect the fact that it is no longer accepting orders for either the Model S or Model X from customers in certain countries. The $400 refundable pre-order option and design studio are inaccessible. These have been replaced by a button that says Get Updates, which puts customers on a mailing list. A few days ago, reports emerged stating that Tesla had halted orders for its two flagship vehicles, the Model S sedan and Model X SUV. A look at Tesla's official website now shows that the halt in orders has been extended to a number of other countries. As per Tesla's official website, the order halt has been extended to countries such as New Zealand, Thailand, and Singapore. As of this weekend, both the Model S sedan and Model X SUV's official web pages in these countries only have the option to get updates on the vehicles. Also, similar to Australia, the order pages for the Model 3 sedan and Model Y SUV are still active in Thailand, Singapore, and New Zealand. It is unclear why Tesla opted to stop orders of the Model S and Model X in specific Asia-Pacific countries, and the company has not provided a notable explanation for the matter. The Tesla Model S and Model X are Tesla's two flagship vehicles, though they have been in the market for some time now. Today, however, the Model S and Model X's sales are vastly eclipsed by the Model 3 sedan and Model Y SUV. This was particularly evident in the company's Q1 2023 vehicle delivery and production report. which indicated that Tesla was able to sell a total of 422,875 from January to March. This was a new record for the company, though this number was comprised of 412,180 Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. Deliveries of the Model S and Model X dropped by 38%. That being said, Tesla has been aggressively adjusting the prices of its vehicle lineup this year, and during the Q1 2023 earnings call, CEO Elon Musk explained that Tesla could technically sell its cars for little profit today, since the vehicles could earn more later, at least when the company achieves autonomy. Tesla is in a uniquely strong strategic position, because we're the only ones making cars that, technically, we could sell for zero profit for now and then yield actually tremendous economics in the future through autonomy. No one else can do that. I'm not sure how many people will appreciate the profundity of what I've just said, but it is extremely significant, Musk said. Leaked documents brought to light the company's move to halt right-hand drive variants of the Model S and Model X. Customers who had already placed orders for these models in the affected markets were left wondering about the fate of their purchases. To address these concerns, Tesla has come up with a solution. The company will be hosting seminars in these markets, where select customers can seek answers to their questions and voice their worries. These presentations will also include a Q&A session, providing an opportunity for Tesla to mitigate concerns. As the details of the options for attending customers remain uncertain, a leaked email offered a glimpse of one possibility. Customers were given the alternative to receive a $2,000 discount on a new Model 3 or Model Y order instead of the Model S or Model X. In an intriguing twist, Tesla announced that despite discontinuing the right-hand drive Model S and Model X in some regions, they will bring both models to Japan, another right-hand drive market. However, the company has no plans to restart production of right-hand drive versions of these vehicles. Tesla's website reflects the changes, as prospective buyers in Australia can now only receive updates, while the ability to place orders for the Model S and Model X has been removed. However, the two vehicles are still available for other right-hand drive markets. The focus on the Model 3 and Model Y has been evident in Tesla's sales figures, with these models surpassing the Model S and Model X. This shift in strategy is part of Tesla's long-term plan, as CEO Elon Musk envisions a future where autonomy drives profitability. Elon Musk's vision of selling cars with minimal profit now, anticipating greater returns through autonomy, underlines Tesla's strategic position. Despite uncertainties in predicting pricing and supply chain issues in international markets, Tesla remains committed to its goals. As the situation unfolds, many questions linger. Will Tesla's move to discontinue sales of the Model S and Model X in select markets signal a new era for the company's lineup? What will be the ultimate fate of these models in affected regions? In the ever-evolving world of Tesla, we will closely monitor developments and bring you the latest updates. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things Tesla. Goodbye for now.